lamsuka tikring tv channel lai chong lerno tini haino hai o salanya klayokwa asuk tin kolok ma na singlai chong lai mani bc election ni bagai te triple engine sarkar tripura o tongibo bc election ni bagai naikol jagi ang tongmani kogrong sung tini haino hai salai nai naidi tripura o triple engine sarkar salagui tongkhano tripura sarong ni hamkrai ni bagai bc election khlaijak stop khai toni jakmani abo ni bagai tak Supreme Court bakirai rikhatei notification bahir karikha abo sung chini seri nalai norok bidi skip tak laidi naidi Supreme Court ni bakhaktei tamo saklai jaka issue notice in place seeking direction to the ECI and Tripura Election Commission of immediately conduct overdue village committee election under the Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Act 1994 naidi Supreme Court ni hoite tamo saklai jaka Tripura ni BC election khlaina bagai tamo no borok notification khlaikya Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council Act 1994 ni bisingtwi dakti khe overdue village committee songmari khlaina bagai ECI tei Tripura Election Commission ni thani direction sanai notice rwka Supreme Court naidi oro jeng kaisa wansuk tekraio oro Tripura sarkar je election khainani dai oro kuno nukjakma klaiya karon Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council je 1994 ni bisingtwi dakti khe je overdue village committee songmari khlainani bagai ECI eba Election Commission of India Tripura ni Election Commission ni thani direction sanai notice rika direct Supreme Court abono saka je Tripura ni je Election Commission of India rongni je direction sanai direct Supreme Court brongni notification saklai rika abono oboni kunu date and regulation khlaijak na 2-3 mas ni pore phanangui mano na 2-3 mas ni age phanangui thangmano moni kunu date rijak notification no aboni bagai asuk din kolkma BC election ni bagai kunu jaga o khorang tisalakya choba khaileka haifano Tripura sarkar obono jai nangyangui tongmani tabuk direct Supreme Court ni bwkhaktwi notification rijaka eba saklai jaka tabuk wngnani chance tong obo notification kok hangai norok o channel ni bisingtwi nugui mannai aboni bagai o channel no bonorok support khlai di tei channel no bo subscribe di toni hambai.